Insulin and glucagon synthesis and signaling, created by Abhijnana, Peter Kang, and Leslie Shea. Insulin is a peptide hormone in our body. It is released when blood glucose levels are high, for example, after eating a cookie. It lowers blood glucose levels down to normal. Here you can see the 3D structure of insulin. Where is insulin produced? Insulin is synthesized in the pancreas, which is composed of many structures known as the islets of Langerhans. These islets contain cells known as beta cells, which are shaded. These cells transcribe the genes that code for the hormone. Insulin must communicate with cells in order for them to absorb glucose and lower bloodstream glucose levels. To do this, insulin attaches to a tyrosine kinase receptor which starts a transduction signal in the cell. Once this reaches the DNA, it transcribes genes that code for proteins that absorb glucose. Glucagon is another peptide hormone, but it has the opposite effect of insulin. It is released when blood glucose levels are low, for example after going a long period of time without eating. It then increases blood glucose levels back to normal. Here's the 3D structure of glucagon. Glucagon is also produced in the pancreas, in the islets of Langerhans. However, unlike insulin, glucagon is produced in the alpha cells, which are not shaded. The alpha cells transcribe genes that code for the hormone. Glucagon must communicate with cells in order for them to release glucose and increase bloodstream glucose levels. To do this, glucagon binds to a G protein receptor which starts a transduction signal. This reaches DNA and transcribes genes that code for proteins that release glucose. Insulin and glucagon work in an antagonistic pair to maintain glucose levels in the bloodstream. When glucose is high, insulin lowers it to normal, and when glucose is low, glucagon raises it to normal. However, when these hormones, especially insulin, do not function properly, it leads to complications like diabetes. Diabetes can lead to many complications such as obesity, high blood pressure, and even heart attacks. To learn more, please visit the RCSB Protein Data Bank.